Antonelle.
And we're from the Bahamas. When we first came to do the balloon class, we had no idea whatsoever. So we are new at this. And now that we came to US Art balloon class with Sandra and a team, believe you me, we have so much that we have learned and we want to take back to the Bahamas. And
oh, it was so much. We went back in the room and we was like, Sandra went from this thing to that thing. Oh my God, what we could do. But then he could say, okay, we can pull it through it. So everything was great.
Amazing. So if you're looking for a class to attend, even though we flew from overseas, we're going to tell our friends in the Bahamas, and believe you me, they will be attending this class as well. And thank you so much.